Hey, how's it going guys? Geek Shrikant here and so good to see your smiling faces. Yes, I'm up with another video. This is the review that you all have been waiting for and requesting. This is a review of Rockerz 380. So let's jump to design and build quality department. In terms of design, I really like it. It has matte finish to it. It's matte black and you have your buttons over here which are tactile, and I'll be talking about them when we talk about the build quality. You have your both logo on either side and over here. So in terms of comfort, it is good. It fits me properly and it is an over ear. So it covers my ears properly and it helps me in noise cancelling, but not completely. I can still hear people talking. In that way, it is really good. The ear cushions, the cuffs, they are really good. They're comfortable, but if you wear it for a longer time, it will start to hurt. And the head cushion that is present, that's a really neat stuff. Boat, it is really good. In terms of build quality, it does feel a little plasticky, but not cheap. It is good. It feels really good when you hold it in hands. But there's one thing that I'm concerned about is the way it sounds when you open and close. It is a bit rigid, it's not smooth, so I feel that it might break, so I just feel it. I don't know whether it will or not. Other than that, the buttons, they feel a bit cheap, but they are tactile. You can use the button to control your song, take calls and all. It also has an LED which tells you when it is connected, and other than that, it has micro USB port to charge your headphone, and it also has a nifty feature where the audio cable is, the aux cable is provided with the headphone itself, so you can use it as a wired headphone as well. And there's also mic present, so you can take calls with it as well. In terms of sound, it really is good. I like it, and I'm not a big fan of bass songs, so I don't listen to them much. But for those who are wondering, yes, it is there, it is present. You can feel it. It is good. But in terms of call, I would say that whenever I was talking to people with this, people were saying that I was not clear. Although the connectivity part is good, you can walk around room and it stays connected, but in terms of call, I would say it is not that good. And in terms of connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5.0, and straight from there we are moving to battery compartment. So in terms of battery life, it is good. And it lasts for a long time, and they are claiming around 20 to 22 hours, so you better check. I'll leave the specifications in the description. Please go and check it out, and there would also be a link in the description for you guys to go and buy it as well. A link would also be present. That pretty much covers everything about Rockerz 380. If you haven't seen the unboxing, link for that would also be in the description. Go and check it out. I hope you enjoyed it. Press the subscribe button, it is completely free, and turn the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload the video. And as always, be happy and stay positive.